Welcome back to the channel for another BUC-EE'S construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is Saturday, November the 2nd, 2024. I would like to start the video out by saying thank you to everyone who gave me birthday wishes in the last video. It was very much appreciated.
So how was your birthday, Sonia?
It was really nice. It was like birthday week.
It's always good, right? Now it's back to reality.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we put the drone up and not a whole lot has changed. The gas tanks still are not in the ground. The power poles still have not been moved.
And once I think they get them moved, they'll probably start construction on that building.
Now, one thing that is definitely different this week, there was a lot of concrete piping laying around across the site. Other than that, there's not a whole lot different. I'm sure there's a lot of work going on. You just can't tell from the pictures, you know, what's going on behind the scenes. So that's all we have for this week. That's going to do it. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the BUC-EE'S construction update videos. Thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Goodbye.
Bye.
This footage from the drone shows the power lines that run through the property, as well as where the power lines go to and come from on each side of the property. We believe that these power lines are going to have to be relocated before construction begins on the building. The new traffic signals have been uncovered and are functioning.